Hey, welcome to Mercy Couture Wigs YouTube channel. All right, so we have everything wigs that you need, hair tutorials, behind the scenes footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, mercycouturewigs.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. So in this video, what I'm going to do is a watercolor method. What I'm going to do first is just bleach some of the hair because I want to have like a highlight in the front. Okay, so that's going to be my money piece, and we'll see how this comes out. Now, I don't remember what kind of hair this is, but it's just hair that I straightened, and I'm thinking it's wavy. We'll see. Alright, so here we are. We did the watercolor, which watercolor is I boiled some not boiled. I just put some hot water in a bucket, and I put a little bit of the Adore Crimson, and I put the hair in, trying to avoid the lace, because if you put the lace in and if you bleached it, then the actual knots are going to turn red. So I just tried to avoid it. But Right. Here you go. I probably won't wear this wig, but I just wanted to show you how to do a watercolor and hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.